How to hide your high school information from specific friends on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide your high school information from specific friends on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and then profile information, and here you will find your high school. Just click this pen and click this one here and see more, and here you will find friends accept. Click on it and select them and click save and save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.